What's up, y'all? So you want an e-bike in 2024. Is this the right choice for you? Maybe you were thinking about selling your car for an e-bike. Or maybe you already have an e-bike and you just want a little bit more speed, a little bit more hill climb. Got a car behind us. Yeah, this guy has his hazards on behind us. I'm not sure why, but we can easily see him. See, a lot of people don't know this, but I do have a mirror. Should you get an e-bike in 2024? Yes, you should. There's a lot of advantages to having an e-bike over your regular car. And one of them is you don't have to pay insurance. So right now, if you're a young adult in America, at least, you're gonna have to pay over $500, $600, $700 in insurance just because you're a liability, especially if you live in a big city. Nobody wants to be paying that. Now, a lot of people will go on their family insurance and all that, which is nice, but not everybody has that luxury. So instead of paying car payments and, $600, $700 in insurance, honestly, just get an e-bike. You can literally go anywhere a car can, and even more places, because we'll get into that later. But you'll save so much money by having an e-bike over a car. And the best thing is, you can do all your repairs yourself. You don't have to take it to a mechanic, but you don't have to be like that. You can just hop on your e-bike, go wherever you want. And since this one specifically is a folding e-bike, I can take it upstairs, take it to my apartment. That's not something you want to see. Another reason why you should get an e-bike over a car is because, honestly, the freedom. Everybody loves freedom. With a car, I'm not able to enjoy the outside world as much as I am on a bike. I live in a beautiful area, as you guys can see. There's a bunch of lakes in this area. We're about to pass a lake right now. And it's always good to, stop by and, take a quick look, quick little glance, enjoy the world, that kind of stuff. And you don't really realize that when you're in a car. So it gives you a whole nother appreciation for just the outside world. Also, another advantage over a car is you can get a workout as well. Now my pedal is broken right now, so I can't even pedal. I only have throttle, but most of you guys will have pedals, so you get a little workout in as well. And who doesn't love a workout? Can't work out in a car. Not the one that I'm talking about. But there are many benefits to owning an e-bike. I don't have to pay for gas, which is another thing. With a car, I'm spending, I don't know, $70, $80 on gas, and my car is actually pretty good on gas. I get about 35 to the gallon. So I don't have to pay $60, a week just getting to work, when I could just use electric power. And the best thing is I could charge this at work, so I don't even have to pay for it. I get to pay for half of the electrical bill. I get to pay half a penny. It's great. So there are many advantages to owning an e-bike. Honestly, I could do this every single day. I haven't ridden in the rain yet, but we'll get to that point when it comes. So I haven't talked about it, but we are running a custom controller. We are running the flipsky V2, as you guys saw already. And the tune that we have on our bike right now is very, very tame. My biggest thing is overheating the motors, which I do not want to do. This motor is rated for 500 watts, and we're running it at up to 1600 watts, as you guys can see on the display here. The benefits with this, the setup, is that we have pretty good hill climb, which we need in this area. So that's the reason we have our tune the way it is set. We're running a 60-volt battery, by the way. The battery that came out of our scooter, we rewired it to make it work with our flipsky. I should probably do a temperature check on the motors here. Our journey today is 20 miles one way, 40 miles both ways. So we are definitely taxing and putting this motor to work. We are in a slight incline as well. I don't know how long this incline is going to be, but it's great. I appreciate everybody checking out the video. Go ahead and give this a like, comment, and subscribe to see more. We don't have a set schedule. We will get one when the demand is there. So again, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That way we can grow our audience a little bit. People don't realize that I have a mirror. Is there like a universal sign to just like scoot people by? Because I feel like this is disrespectful. I don't know. Is this disrespectful? Y'all tell me. We're still doing pretty good on battery life. We got 62 volts out of 67. This was on max charge. I think I had 66.9 or something on the readout. Oh! But this bike is in pretty rough shape, I'm not gonna lie. We do need a lot of work. This rear tire is either not screwed or it's just completely bent. We gotta definitely take a look at that. The brakes squeak, everything squeaks. I do need to lube up pretty much everything. We do have our new crank set arm, or crank arm, coming in. So we'll be able to put that on and finally pedal. I got him sitting behind me for quite a bit. And see how this works in sand? Oh my god, that's so much better than the scooter. I gotta say, these 20-inch tires are definitely relieving. For sure. Look at us get up this hill. Alright, this is probably the steepest hill that we're gonna encounter today. So we're gonna bog down to like 10 miles an hour here. Oh my god. We bogging, boys. We bogging, boys. Let's go. Look at that, like a beast. By the way, guys, if the rear motor is too hot to touch, then it's too hot and you gotta set it down. I don't know what the actual temperature is for, you know, overheating motors, but a good rule of thumb is if you can touch it and you can keep your hand on it for more than, what, 2 seconds, then you're good. You're good. So let's go ahead, park over here. We're gonna keep going here. We're still at 62 volts, by the way. That's what, 62% according to Vesk. By the way, Vesk is the software we're using for our flipsky. Open source, so we can change all of our motor config. So let's go and take a little dive what we can do here. So we were just on temperature, but we can change the current. So we're running on 124 amps for the motor current, which is probably way too high. Let me go ahead and knock this down to 100, so this is probably going to make us a little bit slower on the hill climb. But that's fine. That's going to cool down the motor a little bit, I would hope. I really don't know what I'm doing with this. We can go to RPM, max wattage. So we set at 1500 wattage for our 500 watt motor. Let's get back to the data. All right, let's continue our journey. Make sure there's no cars behind us. We got about, I want to say, 5 miles left on our journey. So we're pretty much done. Again, guys, I appreciate you guys sticking around if you made it this far. You guys are absolute legends. Legends. I feel like DJ Kaale when I say that. Anyways, thank you guys. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Our next step, honestly, so we're gonna fix the pedals with this bike, and then I just have to do some general basic maintenance with it. So I do have to, you know, lube up the chain, probably get a new chain entirely. We need to lube up just about everything on this bike. It creaks, it makes a lot of noise, the wheel is out of true, I'm pretty sure. Either that or it's bent. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be definitely fun to learn about bikes. Yeah, if you guys want to see that, if you guys want to see bike mechanic stuff or, you know, electrical work, because we do a lot of electrical work to make things work around here with the controller and the battery and all that other stuff. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know and I can post more videos of it. I will definitely post a video of me building a battery when the time comes for it. I just don't have we just don't have the funds to make a battery right now, boys. I'll be honest with you. Them shits is expensive. It's not in the plans just yet, but it will be, I promise. I promise. We're gonna make a 48 volt, not a 60 volt. We're gonna make a 48 volt massive battery for range. Once we make our 48 volt battery, we're gonna put this battery back into the scooter. And the plan is to just water cool the scooter with the flipsky version of what I have, but they have water block. So we're gonna try to do that with some custom tubing and all that other fun stuff. So that's gonna be probably, honestly, that might be 2025 stuff. But we'll see. We will see. Right now we're just gonna focus on the Jasion, and we're gonna get this to pristine shape. I really like this folding style. I don't think I'm gonna upgrade or, you know, swap it out for, you know, anything else. If I don't use any throttle, slow down a little bit. Oh, I wish I had some pedals, man. I wish I had some pedals. Alright guys, we're probably gonna end it right now at the end of this road here. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see anything in particular, go ahead and leave that in the comment section. Whether it's, you know, just first person riding or electrical work or tuning. We can even do some tuning with the flipsky, just in case if you guys want to get more into that. So whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. I'll try my best to get these videos out, even though I am pretty busy. Oh my god, over temp. I'm gonna take the this path right here.